In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save a document in Google Docs to Google Drive. This straightforward process will ensure that all your important documents are safely stored and easily accessible from anywhere. So let's dive in and go through the steps together. First, you'll want to start by opening Google Docs. If you haven't done this before, simply go to the website and sign in with your Google account. Once you're logged in, you can access your documents and start creating new ones. If you're beginning from scratch, click on the blank document template to open a new document. Now that you have your document open, it's time to type any content you wish to save. You can jot down notes, draft a letter, or begin working on whatever project you're planning. Remember that with Google Docs, your work is automatically saved as you type. This means you don't have to worry about losing your progress if your computer unexpectedly shuts down. After you've added some content, direct your attention to the top left corner of the screen. You'll notice a handy little feature that automatically saves your document to Google Drive. This means that you don't need to manually save or back up your documents to access them later. It's all done for you. This is one of the key benefits of using Google Docs and Google Drive together. Next, let's switch over to Google Drive to ensure everything is saved correctly. In a new tab, go to your Google Drive homepage by typing in the URL or clicking the appropriate link from your Google Apps. Here, you can see all your saved documents and files neatly organized. If you've ever thrown a file away and need to retrieve it, you can do that in Google Drive as well. To access deleted files, click on the bin option on the left sidebar of Google Drive. Once you're in the bin, look for the untitled map or any specific document that you've previously discarded. It's important to review these files and decide if they still need to be permanently deleted or restored back to your main documents folder. Finally, if you decide to restore a file, click on the document you wish to recover. This action will highlight the document, giving you a few options. From here, you can choose to restore the document, moving it back to your regular drive storage. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can effortlessly save and manage your documents in Google Drive using Google Docs. With these tools at your fingertips, you'll always have quick access to your documents no matter where you are. I hope you found this video helpful and now you're ready to save and organize in Google Drive with ease.